Hey guys, welcome back. So I just want to show you the update that I made to the Bedtime Story Machine. So this is the original one that I made at the start of this project here or business. So this is the first style that Claude helped me produce when or Claude Code helped me produce. This is what it's made. So it's typical of whenever you generate anything with Claude or any AI, they have this purple kind of theme-ish. But it actually works and it prints and everything. It looks okay. But the way that it looks is still doesn't look that great. It just looks so plain and kind of boring. And in a few minutes or coming up here, I am going to show you the one that I recently updated. So here it is. This is the new one here. All the function is still the same, but as you can see, whenever there's icons there for the location. See that little icon right there, and uh, and every time you select a different background or location of the story, the background changes as well. So it looks pretty awesome. So this is what it made after I put that prompt in Cloud Code, the prompt that I saw on that Nick on YouTube said to put or use to design cool looking application or cool looking website. So I just plug that in, adjust the prompt for my business or my project, and this is what it came out. So it looks pretty awesome compared to what I started out with, and I already update all the images on Etsy as well. It's not too bad. It's not too long, but oh, thank you guys.